Ever wondered why the Boeing 737 is so famous? In the next few seconds, you'll learn why this aircraft is iconic. The Boeing 737 first flew in 1967. It quickly became a favorite among airlines. Why? It's reliable, economical, and versatile. The 737 has transported over 12 billion passengers. That's nearly twice the world's population. Its design allows it to operate from short runways. Perfect for both short and medium-haul flights. Airlines appreciate its fuel efficiency. It helps them keep operational costs down. Passengers enjoy its comfort and safety. Advanced avionics make it a pilot's dream. The latest model, the 737 MAX, offers cutting-edge technology. It proves the 737 is still evolving. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more fascinating insights.